Hey boys and girls, we are here for day 4 of our subtraction lessons. And the strategy we're really going to be practicing today is using our fingers. You are correct. So all of the problems we solve today, we're going to be solving using our fingers. You need to have out your workbook. We're going to be on this page and something to write with. So you are ready to go. All right, let's get started. Ooh, we're going to start by telling a story to solve. I want you to go find someone in your house and you're going to tell them a subtraction story using 10 take away 2. 10 take away 2. Oh, I thought of a story. There were 10 bears hibernating in the cave. 2 bears woke up. So I had 10. 2 woke up. How many are left? You're right, there are 8 left. Oh, I hope you told a story to someone. All right, get those workbook pages out. So we are going to be practicing the strategy of using our fingers to subtract. So I have a problem for you. There were 8 crayons in the box. There were 8 crayons in the box. So how many am I going to start with? What should I write? Ooh, you're right. There are 8. John took 5 crayons out of his box. So how many went away? Ooh, you're right. 5. Now, here's where you can solve in a different way. So you could solve using your fingers. Or you could solve using these fingers up here. So I could cross out 5 of these fingers. And how many fingers are left? You're right. So 8 take away 5 equals 3. Did you get that number sentence written? I sure hope so. Ooh, let's turn to our next workbook page. So we're going to be using more fingers to solve. Boys and girls, let's look at our first one. 9 take away 4. 9 take away 4. So they're holding up 9. Can you hold up 9? And then we take away 4. How many are left? Ooh, so I'm going to cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers are left? You're right, there are 5 fingers left. Boys and girls, pause this video, finish this page, and then come back to check with me. Awesome job. Did you guys get those problems all completed? Now let's go in and check. All right, so we have 10 take away 4. So there are 10. I'm going to cross out 4. Now if I look, I know there's 5, 6. So our answer is 6. Nice job. Now we have 9 take away 5. I'm going to cross out 5. How many's left? Ooh, you knew 9 take away 5 is 4. So now we have 10 take away 5. So if I take away 5, I bet some of you use mental math for this one. You're right, there are 5 left. 10 take away 5 equals 5. Awesome job, boys and girls. All right, so now you're going to finish up your workbook pages for today. So you're going to do complete this page and this page. Boys and girls, don't let this last one trick you. Remember, you have to look at how many fingers they're holding up. When you're done, have someone at your house check for you. Have a wonderful day.